I'm not the AI native, but I am a AI migrant. Yeah, that is the tragedy of our situation today. That we AI migrant is teaching the AI natives to do this one, not to that, to that one. There is a kind of a negative impact what we have in our educational system. I often insist our teachers, our principals, the priests or nuns or whoever the head level, they should be migrants, at least immigrants. No, that is the third part of AIs. Yeah. So that is what I insist. We are trying to guide the natives like migrants. We come from somewhere else to this AI world, and we are trying to tell them about the AI world. That dichotomy is there in our teachings, in our sharing. Let us keep that one in suspense and try to improve. Um, yes, I have been doing my research in the educational psychology, and I completed my PhD. And next, they are training us to take another psychology called digital psychology, where we have to train our digital mind with the digital psychology. That way, or digital migrant. No? We should become digital migrant. But or maybe that is just to blow our mind where we are, how we are. I mean, I'm speaking about myself, not about you. That is, I remind myself often this way because I'm just a novice in this AI. Yes, I'm doing a lot of things. I have got my own software, everything, and I run my educational system in a different way. That is all because of our effort in order to have them migrating ourselves to a new world. Otherwise, they will keep us away. That is why many of our youth are not able to accept what we say and guide because we are foreigners and they are the natives. I'm really convinced that this artificial intelligence, the new generation of learners and we teachers must be equipped both physically and psychologically. As we enter every workspace with uncertainty and rapid changes, that we will need a lot of physical uh, and emotional changes in our life or acceptance in our life. Education, therefore, must cultivate in all of us that always we think the head level, the heart level, the hand level, and the habitual level. Yes, that is the whole theory of education. And this is applicable today. This edition of magazine, I'm sure that will express a lot about the life set of the native of AI, ignoring about the migrant of AI. Again, I want a lifestyle framework that prepares young minds to navigate the age of intelligence with a balance and purpose. As we heard in the last roundtable conference on 11th of June, that this very theme was introduced and discussed, live set of AI natives with the formation and healthy habits. Yes, I'm sure that this magazine will bring out more from that conference, and I look forward for that. And I even wish all the readers to wait, eagerly to get more knowledge through the release of this uh, uh, Pallikkutam. Further insight we had in the other Rajagiri weekly training that we were also mind blown by sharing about the reflections on the animal kingdom. In that one, they were telling about how this animal kingdom is grown, how they are fit into this world today. Lot of changes took place. The animal behavior shaped by millions of years. The evolutionary experiences, which teaches all of us how we can also change not our body, but our mind. Animals mainly of physical setup, but for human, it is mind and intelligence. It is with great joy and anticipation that I'm here to unveil the latest edition of our magazine, Pallikkutam, with more emphasis on AI native life, formation of healthy habit. This publication stands at the crossroad of innovation, I'm sure, and well-being, offering timely insight into how artificial intelligence is shaping a daily lives of a new generation of AI natives, while also guiding them by all of us as AI migrants towards cultivating healthier routines, balanced lifestyle, and more conscious approach to wellness. In a world where technology is both a tool and a companion, the formation of healthy habits has taken a new dimension. This magazine, I am sure, will explore AI powered platforms, applications, and environments are being used not only to personalize healthcare and mental fitness, but also to support mental health, mindfulness, nutrition, and social connection. Through articles and interviews and real life stories, which will be in this issue, I'm sure is dedicated to empower all of us individuals as students and as the teachers, especially the students, to embrace the best of both worlds. That world, the intelligence of machines and the wisdom of human values. It is a call to create not just smarter lives, but a healthier, more meaningful ones. Therefore, I hope this magazine will inspire every reader to reflect, to adopt, and adapt all the disciplines of life into all of us. With this release, let us envision a future where AI does not just enhance life, but enriches it. Let us therefore go to the pages of Pallikkutam on AI native life, be a step towards a healthier tomorrow. Let us go reading. I wish a happy reading.
As you can see from the cover, we have given life set, skill set, then mindset, and also value set. So the child and as well as parents, they can use a compass to set the direction for the child. Child himself has to use a compass to uh, access all these skills, imbibe these skills, and also parents and teachers and others have a vital role to play in shaping these attitudes. As Father Jaison has pointed out, having a healthy mind and a healthy body, both important in the AI age.
So let's have a quick visit to its contents here. We know that the magazine Pallikkutam, the Education Observer, is a culmination and combination of all of its activities, programs, and stakeholder participation of the month. It is envisaged as a democratic magazine having stakeholders' contributions, contemporary updates, technological assistance, activity reports, and more. The July edition of the magazine covers the theme AI native life set, formation of healthy habits. So the various aspects of the cover theme, AI native life set, formation of healthy habits, has been included in our magazine. It includes emotional competence, behavioral patterns, food culture, etc. So it is embedded in all our contents, starting from the editorial and cover theme and all the contents available in the magazine. So let's have a look at the content. And we have also included other general content, including the scholarships, uh, exemplars, and we also have our contributions from our stakeholders, their best practices and unique activities at their institutions have also been featured in this magazine. And as initially pointed out, Nagaland is the partner state for the month, and we have included their features also in this edition.
Thank you, Jason Joseph, for introducing the July issue. So Nagaland had always played an important role in the shaping the Pallikkutam pedagogy. In fact, it was the Pallikkutam Awards which helped us identify the school in St.Xaviour School in St.Xaviour, Nagaland, who had done amazing work during the COVID times when the schools were closed and they had very limited gadgets and other connectivity. But still they managed to continue the education of the children through an innovative method of sending messages through WhatsApp and doing activities at home. So this was recognized by IIM Kozhikode, who assessed the award, and I think they did a study of the school by connecting with them later. So we have a deep connection with Nagaland, especially in the last 4-5 years. And Father Loyola Anthony has been with us, partnering and a well-wisher of all our activities. So we are thankful to the educators of Nagaland. And today also we are fortunate to have Dr. Jaison with us to launch. So we'll continue this journey. And of course, education sector in India faces a lot of challenges. And I hope with the determination and also with a lot of persistence and hard work done by people like Dr. Jaison and others, we will be able to overcome the issues and challenges facing the education sector and build a better tomorrow with the AI natives and overcome all the problems they are currently facing with determination and also with the effort of people from different walks of life. So that has been our effort all these years, and we are grateful for the support provided by the stakeholders in all our events.